Hello guys. Today we will discuss about aspirin. Aspirin is effective for pain relief and heart health, but it may cause side effects. Number 1, upset stomach. Number 2, nausea or indigestion. Number 3, heartburn. Number 4, stomach pain. In rare cases, more serious side effects may occur, such as gastrointestinal bleeding or ulcers, tinnitus, ringing in the ears, allergic reactions like rash or swelling, increased risk of bleeding, including nosebleeds or easy bruising. If you notice any unusual symptoms such as black stools, vomiting blood, or difficulty breathing, seek immediate medical help. Always talk to your doctor before taking aspirin, especially if you have a history of ulcers, bleeding disorders, or kidney problems. I hope you like this video. See you in next video. Bye.